Australia is one of 168 states to have ratified the Berne Convention for the protection of literary and artistic works. The Berne Convention focuses on protecting works and other subject matter along with the rights of authors. In the interest of protection, the Berne Convention established principles of reciprocity. Reciprocity ensures that in member states like Australia, a work or subject matter does not require a connection to the country to be protected under its copyright law. As such, authors are more likely to be compensated for the time and money that they invest in internationally published works. This increased protection has encouraged the growth of industries dependent on copyright. There are three principles of international reciprocity for copyright protection in the Berne Convention. First, a member state must afford the same protection to works originating in any member state as they afford to the works of their nationals. For example, a book in Australia must be given the same copyright protection regardless of whether it originates in Australia or Germany. To establish whether a work originates in a member state, the country of origin must be determined. When a work is first published in a member state, or simultaneously published in a member and non-member state, the member state is the country of origin. If publication occurs in multiple member states simultaneously, the country of origin is the state with the shortest term of protection. A work originates in the author's nation state if it is unpublished or first published outside of a member state, provided simultaneous publication has not occurred. To be simultaneously published, a work must be published in multiple countries within 30 days of the initial publication. It should also be noted that if the author is not a national of the country of origin, they must still be afforded the same rights as national authors. The second principle states that the protection afforded to works originating in any member state must not be subject to the fulfillment of formalities. Consequently, where the Berne Convention applies, a member state must give an author automatic protection in relation to their works. Finally, the protection given to works originating in any member state is independent of the existence of protection in the country of origin. As such, the laws of the country where an author claims protection determine the extent and kind of protection offered, along with the remedies available. Although the extent of protection is dictated by the state where protection is claimed, a minimum term of protection is described in the Berne Convention. Subject to several exceptions, a work must be protected until 50 years after the author's death. The Berne Convention applies to authors that are nationals or habitual residents of a member state. The Convention also protects authors that publish their work in a member state either first or simultaneously with a non-member state. Where the author has produced cinematographic work, it is sufficient that their headquarters or habitual residence is in a member state. The principles of reciprocity under the Berne Convention extend to every production in the literary, scientific, and artistic domain. Examples of such works include musical compositions and choreographic works.